Go.
It's not what you want from me. It's what I want from you. It's not what I want from you. It's what I can do for you.
Can you guys shut up?
There's nothing you can do for me.
We're gonna do that again.
Yeah,
You're really fast and strong. I know what you are.
Okay, we'll stop it right there. What are you laughing?
Because it was already recording.
Oh, I didn't hear anything. You should have unconditional positive regard for the gifts that the Allfather gave you. You had it.
What the hell is that?
You should be learning. Fuck. You had it.
I should be learning. Are you insane, Thor? There's clearly a problem, and it probably stemmed from the chocolate problem.
What are you You're supposed to keep eating? Alright guys, calm down. Alright. Shut up, Legolas.
Whoa, whoa, big man, big suit. Take that away. What are you?
Alright guys, come on. Calm down. Calm down.
Shut up, Legolas. Whoa, whoa. Big man in a suit of armor. Take that away. What are you?
Fuck you!
I can't take.
What?
God damn it.
Put the suit on. Let's go for a few rounds.
Shut up, guys. Stop laughing.
Put the suit on.
Shut up, guys.
Too soon.
Put the suit on. Let's go for a few rounds. Where are you?
Come on, baby. As soon as you come in.
What are you implying?
I'm inferring!
That's two totally different things! What are you talking about? You are gay! Shut up! Holy shit! Wait, why am I cussing
By the way, or no one else.
No, it hit me!
This is his fault.